Hello people, welcome to Learn Programming with me. Today I will explain you C++ pointers and I will tell you why to use them with an example. First of all, what are pointers? Pointers are special variables that hold the memory address of another variable or object. So I repeat, they hold address of a variable or object. In C++, we use asterisk for pointers. And second, address of. We use ampersand to indicate the address of a variable. Remember, a pointer holds address of a variable. If you write a code like this, that won't work because you try to assign an integer value to a pointer. But as we said, a pointer holds address of a variable. So we need to indicate address of a variable like this. So the third thing that we need to learn, what is dereference? Dereference returns the value of the variable pointed to by the pointer. Dereference is used like this. Why do we use pointers? There are many reasons to use pointers. I am planning to make videos about dynamic memory management, linked lists, arrays, and maybe even more like system level programming. I would say it's still too early to tell, at least for me. In this video, we will talk only about passing parameters to functions by address. Look at this code. This code will print you this. Because in here, we didn't use pointers, and that code copied the variable and make something on it. But our main variable didn't change. Let me show you in the right way. As you can see, we added asterisks and ampersand, and this is the console. Thanks for watching video and please hit like and subscribe button. I will see you in the next video.